Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have in a 2021 MG ZS and we're going to be changing the pollen filter. So let's get into it. I'll show you where it is and how to change it. So on this MG ZS, we want to come around the passenger side and we're going to be changing the pollen filter. This is a blueprint one. So if we come in here and open the glove box, inside the glove box we have two little tabs, one here and one here. What we're going to do is just going to bend them in. Easier with two hands, but I'm going to do it with one. Just like that, and the glove box will come down. And as we can see, just up here, so just grab the torch, so you can see these two little button clips in the side there. Once the glove box is down, then we want to get behind this cover here. So if you reach round to the side, just pull the little tab, and the other one will come off. Set that down the side, and now we can pull out our pollen filter. And this one is definitely due a change. Look, on the pollen filter you will see airflow. Important that when you put your new one in, that the airflow is going the same way. So here we have the little flap that comes at the front, and you see airflow pointing down. So we're just going to line up our new pollen filter in the hole, just like that, and we're just going to push it back all the way in and fold this little flap down. Now we can get our cover, just pop it back on. Make sure it clips in both sides, because you don't want this falling off, because that will rattle around and cause you some problems. And now we can just get the light in there so I can show you guys properly. Definitely need a new light. Anyone recommend a good light, let me know. So with the glove box, we're just going to pop the glove box back in place, and we can just push these little tabs in. Now the glove box sits back in there perfectly, just like that. Shut the glove box and you're all done. There you have it. There's a quick video on how to change your pollen filter. If yours looks like this, get it changed. If you like the content, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.